Moffitt Cancer Center CEO for Immunocellular Therapy by Tina Swartzlander. In a complex cancer center like Moffitt, the CEO's role reaches far beyond daily operations. The CEO must have a constant eye on scientific breakthroughs, changing regulations, and the realities of workforce shortages, all while ensuring our workflows support Moffitt's research-driven mission. Their decision influences how safely and efficiently advanced cellular therapies are delivered and how effectively resources are utilized as the department expands. Just as important, the CEO sets the tone for teamwork, engagement, and the culture we experience every day. These responsibilities shape the three goals I have chosen to prioritize for improving the Moffitt Cancer Center Immunocellular Therapy (ICE-T) department. The first goal is to strengthen transparent two-way communication. This is essential for the department like ICE-T, where the work is fast-paced, highly regulated, and deeply collaborative. When leaders are present in the department and clinics, it sends a clear message that they must understand the daily challenges and value staff input. Simple digital updates through metrics like trial volumes, protocol changes, and workflow adjustments help everyone stay on the same page, especially when studies are accruing rapidly. A consistent channel for staff to raise concerns or offer ideas also builds trust and gives the clinical research department staff a sense of ownership in the process. Strong communication and psychological safety are directly linked to improved teamwork, reduced errors, and enhanced patient outcomes in complex clinical environments such as clinical trials, by Liu et al. 2022. This is especially important during protocol-sensitive tasks. For example, if a trial requires a specific blood collection window, like processing samples within a 30-minute window to preserve cell viability, there must be transparent communication to ensure the lab, clinical team, and courier staff stay perfectly coordinated. Clear communication can reduce stress and improve overall staff engagement, especially in high acuity research settings where rapid change is the norm. When people feel informed and their voices matter, they are more connected and more committed to Moffitt's mission. For ICE-T, stronger communication would create a department where staff feel respected, supported, and truly part of an advancing immunocellular therapy. The second goal as the CEO would be to invest in staff well-being and career development. This will be essential in a department like ICE-T, where the work is demanding, emotional, and consistently evolving. The goal is to create clear pathways for certification or expanded roles and to give nurses, coordinators, and lab technicians a sense of direction and purpose. Burnout prevention resources, wellness initiatives, and even small pockets of protected time for education can make a significant difference in how staff feel supported during long, high-stress days. Recognition programs that highlight and celebrate teamwork and innovation can also be significant to staff. It can be especially impactful in cellular therapy, where success depends on tight coordination between all clinical staff, pharmacy, laboratories, and research teams. Burnout in clinical staff is associated with lower quality care and reduced safety, while supportive work environments improve engagement and performance. In an oncology environment, opportunities for professional growth and emotional support help retain skilled staff in highly competitive labor market and directly influence the effectiveness of clinical trials. When people feel cared for and see a future for themselves within the organization, they bring more energy and attention to their patients. For ICE-T, sustained investment in career development and well-being would strengthen retention and build a culture where staff feel valued both professionally and personally. The third goal would be to build a culture of collaboration and innovation. This would be a vital change in the ICE-T department because it is where patients' treatment depends on seamless coordination across many specialties. Daily huddles will bring together nurses, APPs, physicians, clinical trial coordinators, and research staff to create a shared understanding of each patient's needs and the day's priorities, ensuring protocol compliance. Work groups that work across departments can use that information to address ongoing challenges like patient flow, documentation gaps, or trial readiness. Staff should be given opportunities through small pilot projects or grants to test their own ideas, as this can send a powerful message that innovation is not limited to leadership, but can also belong to anyone involved in patient care. For example, a coordinator-led pilot program might streamline accrual readiness by creating pre-screening checklists that consolidate key protocol criteria, lab requirements, and scheduling needs into a single quick-use tool. After testing the checklist with a few studies, the team can refine it and apply it throughout ICE-T department for all studies. Interdisciplinary collaboration can lead to fewer errors, faster problem solving, and better patient outcomes, especially in complex oncology departments. Teams with strong cross-disciplinary communication are more likely to be successful in managing the high operational demands of cancer trials and advancing care safety. When frontline staff feel empowered to speak up, redesign workflows, or suggest new approaches, the entire team becomes more resilient and adaptable. For ICE-T, building this culture would mean quicker transitions when protocols change, fewer communication breakdowns, and a stronger sense of shared purpose. It would create a department that responds quickly to emerging therapies and supports staff in doing their best work. These three goals can shape the day-to-day experience in ICE-T. When communication is open, development is supported, and collaboration is encouraged, staff members feel more connected to their work and to one another. The sense of alignment will naturally strengthen the relationship between clinical and research teams, which is essential in a department where patient care and scientific innovation happen side by side. A stronger safety culture also emerges from this environment, which enables teams to respond more confidently to complex protocols and unexpected situations. These changes will ensure the ICE-T department is prepared to open new immunotherapy trials, which can demand quick coordination and precise execution for the success of the study. Investing in people is not just good leadership, it directly elevates the quality of care and the innovation that defines Moffitt's missions. Thank you very much.